Hey everybody, it's Matty Van Halen. If you're looking for Fit for Expedition, you found him.
Hey, are you looking for a really good way to mount your solar panels to the roof of your box truck? This probably could go for truck campers and things like that too, or utility trailers. We are getting a nice early morning start, mounting the big 390 watt solar panels to add to our two 180 watt solar panels. That'll bring us to these are the pieces that are going to be mounted to the sides of the truck. We're going to mount it through here, through these openings. This is where our unistrut pieces are going to be, and then the panel will be mounted to the top of the instrut. We painted the edges of these so that when you see this on the side of the truck, all you'll see is black. We also painted all of these, so all this hardware is black. We've got these lock washers, and then a regular washer to keep it from pulling through. This is how not to mount a solar panel. This is a caulk. We tried mounting the way some other people have mounted their solar panels, and we used 3M tape, which is what other people used, and then we used this caulk over top to hold it down. And it blew off on our very first trip. That's why we're doing so much more. So we're determining how high we want to put the panels right now. What are the things we're thinking about while trying to determine how high we're going to put them?
How high they look from the side of the truck.
So the aesthetic,
do they block the other solar panel that's next to it that's lower?
We're taking out one of these 2x widths, which is actually 1.5 inches, and that'll bring us down to 2 1/4. But this is like 1 5/8 right here, and then we get another inch there and another couple inches. Hey, I want to give a quick shout out to our channel members, Jolly Matilda, Sharon Lewis, Desert Adventures in Arizona, and Mo Bang for your bucks. Glad that you guys are here. Right here is the completed project. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there. Mounted with 3 1/2-inch, 2-inch deep screws that go into the wall, and they just go into fiberglass, and they're all tight. We've taken this on dirt roads, mountain roads, forest roads, no issues at all. This is definitely the most secure way to mount the solar panels. So we got a transfer box here, we got our cables here, it's all caulked in and watertight. I can't reiterate this enough. I have never done any of the solar panel work before, any of these solar power stations before, any of this stuff before, but I can't reiterate this enough. Don't let the work intimidate you. You don't always have to pay someone. That's what our channel is about, and it is about doing it yourself. And we've done pretty much everything on this truck ourselves, Kelly and I, except for what's in the engine compartment. We got 2 390 watt solar panels, plus the additional 2 180 watt new power solar panels that are up there. The 390s are Canadian solar. So this Canadian solar panels, they're 390 watts a piece, but they're bifacial. They actually pick up another 30 watts, I think it is. They pick up a little bit more wattage off of the back side, the white side of the panel. We have ours mounted around 5 or 6 inches from the roof, so we're picking up a little bit of that, but you could get more if you had it on a tilt. So check out the rest of the channel. We've got a playlist that's box truck conversion. We got a playlist that's box van life Arizona. They both have some of the projects we've worked on the box truck. If you like the videos that we post here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. This has been Greg with Fit for Expedition. See you next time.